What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video where today I have got my hands on Flare Plus, a fantastic Bluetooth speaker by Anker Soundcore. This portable Bluetooth speaker is not just fantastic for the name's sake, it's all about its features, starting with the huge 360-degree sound, full waterproof IPX7 rating, dynamic power management, bass up modes, wireless stereo pairing. If you have two of them, pair them up and enjoy the true wireless sound up to 20 hours of playtime. Beat driven LED show, charging your phone and tablet on the flight. Work with the app which will help you to customize the music as well as the lightings around the speaker. Available for Android as well as for iOS users. Now to start with, if you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Here on my channel I tend to review tech products and go to the typical user range, explaining each and everything what you get with the products, features and demonstration. So by the end of the video you will have an idea that product you are looking at is for you or not. Now with that all being said, let's not waste too much of time and unbox this Flare Plus from Anker Soundcore. Here we have everything which is included in the box, starting with one quick startup guide explaining each and everything about the Bluetooth speaker, what you can do, what you can't. 1 meter long micro USB charging cable, and now in last but not least, Flare Plus portable Bluetooth speaker by Anker Soundcore, where in the front of the speaker you have a Soundcore logo and premium quality fabric covering whole speaker. You can closely have a look into it. It all looks premium in quality. Now under the speaker you have a transparent plastic rim which will be covered with all LEDs, and the base which is completely anti-slip, help you to place the speaker on whatever floor you want without being a hassle of being moved with the bass coming out of that speaker. Most of the buttons to control this speaker are available on the top, starting with the LED light control, volume control and play and pause in the middle, as well as the bass multi-mode selection button. Furthermore, two important buttons to power on and off Bluetooth speaker as well as set the pairing mode are available on the back. Now under the power on and off button we have a waterproof compartment securing one USB port for DC output to charge your mobile phone or tablet, one micro USB charging port for charging the battery of your Bluetooth speaker, and auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, whereas there's no auxiliary cable available within the packaging. Now when Bluetooth speaker is on the charge, you're going to see the status indicator light on the power on button. And you also have to remember that when you are taking this Bluetooth speaker around the water, the compartment on the back should be secured nicely. Speaker also comes with the one fabric strip to hold it very nicely in your hand when you are out and about. Now pairing this Flare Plus Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone is very easy and straightforward, where first you need to power it on. You're going to hear the audible notification, and to make sure that your Bluetooth speaker is in pairing mode, you need to press and hold this Bluetooth button. You need to open up your Bluetooth devices of your mobile phone and make sure you are in discovery mode, and within available devices you should be able to locate Soundcore Flare Plus. Once it's successfully paired, you're going to see it in paired devices in here. Now if you click onto the settings, you're going to see some extra options in here, which is to do with the call audio, media audio and a contact sharing. Now call audio, because you can use this Bluetooth speaker for hand-free calls as well. You can turn off if you want to, but that feature is also available as well. You can also customize this speaker using the Soundcore application, which can also be downloaded from Google Play Store, and once it's successfully installed, open it right from there. Then select your speaker, go into the Flare series, select your speaker, wait for the notification. There we go. Now you are connected, accessing each and everything of your speaker, starting with the battery life, play and pause, LED control, so as the equalizers as well. Let's go ahead with the sound performance check, where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube. which is kind of an okay to tell how loud is this speaker. But the basses and stuff like that, you have to believe what I say to you. Now let's check out the soundproofing. Ooh yeah, full on it. Well, so far so good, not bad at all. I did notice that the Bluetooth speaker also floats if you are using it on the swimming pool actually. So less worrying to get it drowned actually. That's a good one. Now if you would like to use this Bluetooth speaker as a power bank, you can do that, no worries whatsoever. But speaker had to be powered on as well. That's a little bit strange, to be honest with you. Now, if speaker also come with the hands-free feature, if you would like to use it, I've not really tried on it because my main purpose was the music and that's about it. Now, overall performance, what I have seen out of this Soundcore Flare Plus is more than my expectation. The way it looks is classy and you can take it on any party you like. Now the quality of sound and the build itself, you can actually compare this Bluetooth speaker with all high-end Bluetooth speakers like a JBL Charge 4 or UE Blast if you want to. There are so many of them available, but this Soundcore Flare Plus is definitely a fantastic piece of buy. That would be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any more questions or reservation about this Bluetooth speaker, do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.